Hello friends, welcome to my channel. And today let's solve chapter 1 sentences of class 7 from grammar splash. So here mostly I'll provide you the solutions. I'll not discuss about the topic of the rules and regulations. So here I'll discuss from the question number B. Here transform the following sentences as instructed. So first one is done for you. So let's begin from the question number 2. So here we have to change into assertive sentence. So the answer would be, I like to watch thrillers or romantic comedies. Third one, you have to change into exclamatory sentence. So the answer would be, what a great time you had to begin with. And at the end, exclamation mark. Next, number 4 here, change into interrogative sentence. So the answer would be, will you lay the foundation stone of the new hospital today? And at the end, question mark. Number 5, here you have to change into exclamatory sentence. So the answer could be, how quickly the civilians have forgotten the riots. And at the end, exclamation mark. Number 6, here to change into assertive sentence. So the answer would be, she is planning to gift Ria a unique and unimaginable birthday present, and at the end, full stop. Number 7, here you have to change into interrogative sentence. So the answer would be, did Rajesh make a miraculous escape from death last night? And at the end, question mark. Number 8, here you have to change into interrogative sentence. So here the answer would be, is anything left to do after this? And at the end, question mark. Number C, here transform these positive sentences into negative sentences and vice versa without changing their meanings. So if it is given in positive, then you have to change into negative, and if it is given in negative, we have to change into positive. So the first one, it is a positive sentence, so we have to change into negative. So the answer would be, he is not a confident Spanish teacher. Second is the negative sentence, so we have to change into positive. So the answer would be, you should carry heavy weights on a regular basis. Number 3, this jewelry is unknown for its superior quality. Negative sentence. Number 4, you have to change into negative sentence. So again it will be, the man is unknown for his honesty in his work, or the man is not known for his honesty in his work. Number 5, you have to change into negative. So it will be, the application cannot be submitted until April 12th. Number 6, we can borrow more than 2 books from the library at a time. Number 7, here you have to change into negative sentence. So she never or she does not come on time for meetings, be it be morning or evening. Number 8, to change into positive sentence. So everyone is happy with the latest rules and regulations imposed on them. Next exercise, number D, here you have to provide the question tag. So the first one will be, shall we? Second, didn't she? Third, should not one? Fourth, shall we? Fifth, isn't she? Sixth, is he? Seventh, did she? Eighth, don't they? Ninth, will you? 10th, am I? Next, let's discuss the assignments of chapter 2, nouns. So here the question number 1, here you have to form abstract nouns from the following words. So captain will be captaincy, depart will be departure, believe will be belief, fail will be failure, popular will be popularity, move will be movement, neglect will be negligence, and obey would be obedient. The next question number B, here circle the common nouns and underline the proper nouns in the following. So you go through by the video, answers are given. Question number D, you can do it by yourselves. I'm providing you the solutions of question number E. Here you have to rewrite the following sentences after making the changes. 1. Police asked the passers-by if they had seen the accident. Second answer will be Aphrodite is the goddess of love in Greek mythology. Number 3, they are one of this country's top sportsmen. Next, number 4, here we have to change gender. So here, he has always been a perfect host. Number 5, you have to change number. So Riddhi has not released new albums this year. Number 9, Nipun has called his maid servants to prepare the tables. Next, number F, here you have to identify the case of each noun given in italic. So you have to write either N for nominative, O for objective, and P for possessive. So answers are given there. Here. Next, chapter 3, pronouns. So let's solve the given assignment of chapter 3. So the question number 1 here, fill the blanks with the appropriate personal or possessive pronoun. So answer may vary. So the first one, is this suitcase yours? I have a suitcase of the same color. Second, that cute puppy is mine. I have been looking for it the whole evening. Number 3, those paint brushes are mine. Please do not use them. Number 4, she called me in the middle of the night to give the news. Number 5, the gems are ours and you should be responsible for them. Number 6, your umbrella has blue polka dots but hers has red. Number 7, my pencil is broken. May I borrow yours? Number 8, he has had his lunch but I will have mine later. 9, these chocolates are for them. We have had ours. Number 10, they gave our telephone number to them. They gave us theirs. Next, number B, here use appropriate demonstrative pronouns to fill in the blanks. So first one, this is a pretty dress. Number 2, those are the letters that are to be posted today itself. Number 3, that is the road which leads to the Prime Minister's office. Number 4, are these some of the vegetables? 5, we have 2 checks to be submitted in the banks. This is the one that you have to sign. Number 6, salaries are higher in Bangalore in the IT sector than those in Delhi. Next, question number C, here state whether the underlined words are distributive pronoun or distributive adjectives. So go through by the given answers. It is written DA for distributive adjective, DP for distributive pronouns. Next, question number E, here state whether the underlined pronouns are reflexive or emphatic. So I have provided the answers are refers to reflective, E refer to emphatic pronouns. Next question number F here, fill in the blanks using suitable relative pronouns. Here again answers may vary. So the first one, she completed the long race way before time, which no one had expected her to. Second, Anaya was blessed by her dance teacher, whom she truly admired. Number three, the people whom I met on my way to Kasuli were very lively. Number four, nobody knows what will happen next. Number five, I wonder whose this pretty hairband is. Next question I, use suitable reciprocal and indefinite pronouns to fill in the blanks. And more than one answer could be possible. So the first one, all of you will be given a reward for your good behavior. Second, we made a good company for each other in the stock market. Number three, everybody cheered for the team as it came on the field for the final match. Number four, all of us looked at each other in concern after hearing the news of the impending danger. Number five, nothing matters to him more than the money that he has made. Number six, there is something about this place that frightens me so much. Number seven, could you give me few of your suggestions for the trip? Number eight, men told this to everyone, but sadly could not stop it. Number nine, there was anything that could help the woman in distress. Number 10, the two men stopped with instant alarm and looked at each other suspiciously. Number 5, the maiden Antigone had accidentally hit herself. Number 6, I should count myself most happy. Number 7, they are shipwrecked men who hid themselves in the forest. Number 8, at last he reached the underworld himself. He saw many horrifying sights there. And if you think the video is helpful to you, please subscribe the channel and like the video.